ERP compared to PLM, like if you look at the product lifecycle, all that we saw that infinity symbol, we start to understand really why it's important that we have the full functionality of each of these systems and then integrate them. So PLM's core function for is really engineering data. We have the ability to really manage all of the data surrounding that product lifecycle. So we have integration to CAD or CAM or CAE tools, ECAD tools. So you have the ability to save right into a database or a volume right from that interface. Software development is another one, testing tools. All of this data can be revision controlled, connected to any other data that it belongs to, so that you can report on it and make sure that there's no discrepancy in which systems or parts or anything is involved, because it's attached, it's all linked. That gives you really a clear picture of what's happening. So in ERP, you're not going to get integrations to the core engineering tools, but you're going to have finance and inventory, human resources that you're not going to have. Those tools you don't have in PLM. The focus really in ERP is operationals for producing the product. When it comes to BOM management, PLM functionality delivers the CAD BOM straight from the assembly. So you save, CATIA or NX or whatever CAD you're using, Solid Edge, SolidWorks. You save that into the PLM system, and you're going to get that CAD BOM right out of the gate. That's core functionality. And then you have the ability to create a true engineering BOM for software, mechanical and electrical. And then you have product configuration capabilities allowing for 150% or overloaded BOM that can be used to configure down to a manufacturing BOM for connection to ERP. Because ERP is really expecting that 100% BOM because that's what you're going to build. Core PLM functionality is workflow for complex multi-domain changes that are connected to the data which they belong to, and it allows for cross-functional collaboration needed for design for manufacturing, design for service, design for reuse, for circularity. Also, PLM ensures that the product meets the requirements and the standards. ERP manages the business compliance aspects like financial reporting.